So, if you follow me on Instagram, then you are already aware of the fact that my net worth went up by over £24,000 because of the stock market bouncing right back up and the property market doing its thing. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and in today's video, I'll be sharing my March 2022 net worth update. If you're new around these parts, I share everything personal finance. I cover budgeting, saving, and investing. If these topics are of interest to you, then please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into today's video. So yes, my net worth went up by a whopping £24,000 purely because the stock market did its thing, and also the fact that the property market doing its thing like big time. And yes, sure, I also added into my savings as well. So I do have my trusted laptop here with me where I'll be sharing some of the numbers, and I haven't decided yet what format I'm going to depict them on the screen for you, but I will share most of these numbers with you. So if you're not familiar with what net worth is essentially your assets. These are things that you own minus your liabilities, so things that you owe on, that will equate to your net worth. So if you're just starting out, your net worth might be negative, but as time progresses, as your asset class grows and your liabilities shrink, that number will turn into positive, and then you can continue to build up on that. So today's video, I will be sharing the growth that I have seen with respect to my assets and the decrease I have noticed with respect to my liabilities. So I'll be looking down on my laptop here where I do have my tracker listing out what all my liabilities are. And for me, I only have two liabilities, and that's two mortgages on my two homes. And then I have a lot of assets. So I invest in the stock market, in the property market. I do have other asset classes that are just combined in my tracker. So let us begin. So first off with my liabilities. So my liabilities went down by £707 and 26 pence. So this is just due to me making a payment towards one of my mortgages. I don't make a payment. I do make a payment, but my mortgage is interest only, so I only pay out the interest, not the actual amount. So I only make a repayment mortgage towards my personal mortgage. So the decrease there, as I said, is £707 26 pence. So that's how much my liabilities went down by. So my liabilities are now 358,238 and 11 pence. That is my liabilities made up of my two mortgages. If we then move to my assets, so firstly, I'll start off with my properties. I do have two properties. So my two properties add up to 648,000 pounds. Then moving to my short-term savings, as well as how much money I had in my current account on the 31st of March 2022, that all adds up to 12,977 and 38 pence. Then if I move to my sinking funds, which is also another type of savings, so with my sinking funds at the end of March, I had 3,569 and 37 pence. Then if we move to my investments, first off with my ISA. So in my ISA, I had 16,421 and 5 pence invested. Then with my various general investment accounts, I had 3,261 and 94 pence invested. And then my retirement investments. So I have two. I have my pension, my private pension with my employer, and then my SIP, which is also a type of pension that I manage myself. So that came up to 28,148 and 8 pence. So that is my assets, and my assets, all of them add up to 711,377 and 82 pence, which is an increase of 23,315 and 19 pence. So if we then go down to my investments, sorry, my net worth, we can have a look here. I will share this on the screen. So my net worth at the end of February was 329,117 and 26 pence. As at the end of March, I recorded 353,139 and 17 pence. As I say, that is a monthly change of 24,022 pounds and 45 pence. You guys, like, to see my asset class increase by this much, I know what I need to do to reach 1 million pounds in assets. I am getting there, and this year, touch wood, okay, this is I will actually be ending the year on under 900,000 pounds in asset class. I know exactly what I need to do, right? So the property market needs to do its thing, the investing market needs to do its thing, and I need to do my thing by increasing how much I invest, increasing my savings, adding more asset classes. One thing you will notice is that I don't include my car, but I did check how much my car is worth, and it is still worth over 10,000 pounds. So if we add that, we are over 360,000 pounds in net worth and over 721,000 in asset class. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with respect to my March 2022 net worth update. Do not forget to check out my February 2022 net worth update that I shared at the beginning of April. So thank you so much. Sorry, at the beginning of March. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.